In this video, I'll show you how to make to-do list AI agent using AI SDK Vercel. For frontend, I use React Native Expo 54. Database, I use Firebase Firestore. Backend, I use Next.js backend. And we make an AI agent that have tools to read Firebase data. AI agent can respond in stream text response. The AI will use Google Gemini and also TypeScript. So refresh. Frontend, refresh. So we have 4 to do. So we can add anyone. Okay, for date, duration 1 hour, high add, and I can toggle, and I can delete. Firestore, to-dos. This is the data structure of a to-do. Completed, created at duration, importance, and text. So now we have 4 to-dos. We give two tools to read Firebase data. And also we have stream text response. All this in TypeScript. So we give one question. How many hours? How many hours does it take to finish all to-dos? Go. And AI is calling the tool to get all to-dos from Firebase and give back. It takes 5 hours to finish all to-dos. 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's it. And then we can try another. I don't know. Okay. How many hours does it take to finish all incomplete to-dos? And it uses tool to get to-dos by filter. It filter incomplete to-dos. It says it will take 4 hours to finish all incomplete to-dos. Okay, that's it. Set. What are the high importance to-dos that are not finished? It's calling the tool get to-dos by filter. The high importance to-dos that are not finished are code 2 hours and 300 push-up 1 hour. Okay, we got this. Nice. You can use this as a template to build any AI agent you want. And just give the different tool to read the different data and give back the response. Yeah, Expo slot. Okay. And this is a starter template. You can get the code here. And it's a basic CRUD. The UI is basic, and the Firebase CRUD is basic. So open simulator. Refresh. It's a to-do list, and basic to-do list. Okay. Add, toggle, delete. So next, I go app and tabs index. I make some update here. Save and make some update. The first is to do. I add the duration and importance. So you can choose. So you can select the importance and the duration. How many hours it take, and to-do title, and I can add. For example, say, what to do? A clean room. Duration, and medium. Okay, add. That's a clean room, and I can toggle, and also can delete. And go Firebase. Firestore, to-dos, and I can see the to-do, the data here, completed, created at, duration, importance, and text. I have 4 to do now. Okay, push-ups, eat dinner, go shopping, and code. So that's the basic CRUD to-do list. And next, we need to add an AI agent. Layout, AI agent. Go layout here. We add the index and explorer. We add the AI agent. Title is AI agent, and save this. And we use this file. AI agent here. So first is it need AI SDK. So go Vercel AI SDK here. Getting started. Choose Expo. In front end, we use this. Okay. And npm, this one, go cursor. So see, npm install AI SDK React and Zod. And also we need to add a provider for it. So provider, and there are 2 ways or 3 ways to get the provider. First way is use AI gateway. AI gateway is in Vercel. It means you pay money to Vercel and use this AI gateway key from Vercel, and to use the large language model. And the second way is custom. The first way is gateway. Okay, you pay Vercel, and the second way is you choose your own provider, and I choose Google. So we need to add this npmi AI SDK Google, and go here aistudio.google.com and the API keys, and you can get here and create a key, and you can get a free key. This is free key, and I copy this key and go back to cursor here. We have Expo, no, env local, and then we paste this key, but we need to add something. It's like this. Okay, and Google generative AI key. Okay, I think close and open. It should be there. Huh? AI SDK npm install AI SDK. Is it so? Oh, here I have something. I already said. This is, it says the React need to change. The version of React need to change. So go package.json, and I use the latest version of Expo. Okay, and the latest version Expo use React 19.1.0, and this not inside here. So I need to change React version and React DOM version, is it? But I don't change. This is a big change. So I don't choose to change React. And the second way is use the old version of AI SDK. But I want to use the latest version. So I have a final solution. npm install -- force. Shut up and do it. It's done. And in this file is simple. Okay, we refresh. It's just a chat UI and a message. So we go here. It's an AI agent, and we const message from use chat and use chat from AI SDK. Okay, and we fetch an API. The API is localhost 3000. We will make this later. This is a server API, and we can pass some params in body, but now we don't pass anything. And we handle send. When we click this send, we will handle send and send a message. Send a message from here and post it to this API. And next is UI part. And just use the text and render the text, and also a input and a send button. So the next is we make this server-side API. Okay, create a folder. Next.js backend. Open terminal. Copy this and use dot. B. Okay, npm run that. 3000. Perfect. And the API folder here, make a folder API. Sorry. And here make a folder agent .ts. Okay, good. And this is the root API file, and we need to install something. So npmi Firebase at AI SDK-Google. and AI and Zod. Go. And copy the file in frontend, Firebase file. Firebase. Copy this and paste here. Okay. Okay, everything is done. Restart the server. So the backend is here. So it's a post backend, and we get a message from the post request, a console log message, and the convert message for model. And we use this stream text to make the response stream. And we choose to use Google Gemini 2.5. You can choose others, but this is, I think this is small and fast. And this is important. Stop when. Once the step count reach 10, the agent automatically stop. This means it can use some tools or analyze or do something, but the step reach 10, it stops. It can prevent the agent from running in a loop or limits token and keep the workflow controllable. So next is system is prompt. So you are an agent with access to database. Your role is not just to list the to-dos, but to do this, do this, do this, do this. And we give to-do fields, and we give some example. And the only thing is, we ask questions to AI, and we let this model to determine to use tools. Okay, next is message, and the tool we give two tools. The first one is get all to-dos, and description is fetch all to-dos for the user. Yeah. And the input, you use Zod, but this is no input. And execute, we console log. If the AI choose to use this one, we console log this. And we to do REF, this is Firebase, and to read the data from Firebase and give the data to those. And the second tool is get to those by filter. You can input to those if it's completed or importance or created after. And also we console log this. And the query. This query is Firebase query. And the query returns, this is 1, 2, 3, it's added, not replace for this query. And get the to-dos. So there are two tools. And next is give back the response. So 2 tools and the response. So this is the backend. Okay, and I think everything should be done. And let's give it a try. So now we have 4 to-dos. So we can ask, how many hours? Go. Google Generate is missing. Okay, key is missing. We should have a key. The backend. Now here is the front end. And we choose backend is here. We don't have key? Oh, we don't have key. Oh, sorry. I need to move the key in this file, in the backend. I need to move the key in the backend. So save, close, and restart. Okay, and the front end, refresh. Okay, I think this. Okay. And how many hours to dos? We use tool get all to dos, and total duration to finish all to dos is 5 hours. Let's see, not all to dos. How many hours does it say? But it works. I won't ask how many hours does it take to finish all incomplete to-dos. Okay, how many hours does it take to finish all incomplete? It takes 4 hours. That's nice. Thank you so much. And use tool get to-dos by filter. What are the high importance to-dos that not finished? Go. Use get to-dos by filter. Okay, that's it. You have 2 high importance to-dos that are not finished code and 300 per hour. That's it. Thank you so much. AI Vercel SDK and to build AI agent. And you can give the tools in this AI agent.